Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Varta Silver Dynamic 5524 01052 3162 car battery. That was a shit. But this is the number of this battery. It is a car start battery with 12 volt, 52 ampere hours C6, and it's a car battery to start your engine. And if you are going to unbox it and if you are going to make it ready to use, you will need some glasses, gloves, and of course maybe a little bit of a tool. So let's start. It's a good shape and it's good packed, as you can see, and there is a plastic bag around the car battery. Do this in a good condition room, so open the window a little bit, that because out of the battery they could come some gas, and this gas has to go out, and do not smoke or do a candlelight dinner if you unbox this battery type. Okay, this is a little bit explosive thing, but it's not so dangerous. Okay, but it could be. So now there it is. This is a car battery, and this you have to assemble inside your or under your car hood. And there are some plus and minus poles, and there are two covers. These covers are over the poles, to cover the poles, okay? And on the right and on the left side there are two covers for transport. And if you are going to use this battery, you have to remove these two plugs first. This is the one plug and this is the second plug. These two plugs we are going to remove before we are going to assemble it. Using a tool for this, it's easier. So good job, that it is. Now the first, and let's pull the second plug out. Good job, easy going, as you can see. Nice. And do not place the plugs back in position if you are going to need, or if you're going to use this car battery. This is only for the transport. Okay, this is important. And wear gloves, and of course wear your glasses, of course. Okay, let's head up to the next lesson. These are the covers over your poles. These covers you are going to extract by lifting them upwards and shake them a little bit, and then, as you can see, it's easy. But there is a transport plug too. This is maybe for your old battery, and there it is. On the left side there's a minus pole, and on the bottom side there are so shoes to lock this battery inside your car. So on the left side there's a minus pole, on the right side there's a plus pole. So this are you going to plug in, assemble it, job's done. Easy going, but you have to look for your life and your eyes, of course, because sometimes there should be a little bit of gas and explosive gas. So take care, have fun, and replace it by yourself. This is important and so much cheaper. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. And of course, how to assemble this battery you can watch on my channel.